Doing some jerk chicken outside. This is a jerk chicken already seasoned up. It's gonna go on the grill. Grill just catch. So this is the jerk chicken inside of the jerk season that I already made, and I already have jerk sauce that's going to go on it when it's done as well. So putting the chicken on the grill. Jerk chicken, juicy, delicious, ever ready all the time. People them love when I do the jerk chicken. It just a go on and go on. Delicioso. Jerk chicken. Lady, oh yeah. Did you mean to tell me to pull you down for another? And what? Jerk chicken. Finish now. Well done.